city. The never-ending steel and concrete grid. How did we end up like this? The sky is filled with carbon emissions, smog, and rising temperatures. It's suffocating us. An additional ton of carbon every second. Another breath that we ought to have been able to breathe freely is taken away. Only if we could look up and notice our nearsightedness. We pass through it as if we're trying to be unaware of it. We refer to this as progress. But what if we're just making the same mistake repeatedly? Everywhere I look, people are imprisoned in invisible cages. The same routes, the same routines, the same fatigue. Great, a reminder to breathe, in a place where the air hardly feels like it belongs to us. But what if architecture had the ability to do the exact opposite? What if design had the ability to heal? Perhaps architecture was never an issue. Maybe it was the way we decided to mold it. An architecture university should be more than just a place to learn. It ought to be an ecosystem, one that cooperates with nature rather than opposes it. This could be the future, an intersection of possibility and precision. But wait a minute, this feels different. The walls aren't getting closer, they're becoming more transparent. Perhaps there is an alternative, a waste-free method of construction, to build using intelligence rather than force alone. This could be the next best thing. Construction processes could be streamlined, their efficiency increased, while also reducing time spent on repetitive tasks. Such a system could optimize material usage, thus minimizing construction waste generation. A variety of hazardous tasks could be done without risking the lives. In such a setting, timber could be precisely cut and shaped. Materials could be positioned precisely where they should be. A system that could not only lower carbon emissions, but also change the way we view construction in general. I remember reading about some real projects where robotic fabrication has played a key role. A space that responds to me. A place that is intended to evolve rather than being confined. The first one being the MX3D pedestrian bridge in Amsterdam, wherein prefabrication optimized the design by distributing materials strategically. Similarly, the DFAB house in Switzerland indicated sustainable and digitally designed buildings with boosted productivity and uninterrupted work, accuracy, and minimized material waste. We can do this. We have been creating the world as though we were apart from it for a very long time. However, we're not. More walls are not necessary. We could design spaces where we can breathe, think, and live as we were intended to. This is how design could be, not stagnant, but alive. If the way we live is shaped by design, we must start designing the way we want to thrive.